Hello friends, come and play.
Let's learn shapes the fun way.
Clap your hands and sing along. Shapes are fun all day long. Shapes, shapes everywhere.
Your circle, circle, round and bright, like a ball that rolls just right. Round and round it loves to go. Circle says hello, hello.
Let's circle, circle, round and round. Read a square.
Square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal sides and so much more.
Like a window on the wall.
One standing strong and standing tall.
Square, square, 4 sides strong. Reach a triangle.
Triangle, triangle, pointy and neat.
3 little sides.
And 3 corners sweet.
Like a slice of pizza, yummy to eat.
Triangle makes learning a treat. Yay!
Bi-angle, triangle.
1, 2, 3.
Bi-angle.
1, 2, 3.
Be a circle rolls. Be a square, stand still. Be a triangle, climbs the hill. Let's sing together, loud and clear. Learning shapes is